And now for construction. Everything's cut, now we put it together. I thought I'd do a before and after. This is where the tiered one's going to go in, and then over here we're going to have a 4x8 where the trellis is, and one other 4x4 up there. So I thought I'd get some pictures of what this looked like before we put the beds in, and then an after, which should look better. And this is from a different angle. Okay, this will be number 2 bed, and again we're doing a 3 4x4s, one in the middle of the 2 4x4s, and then one 4x8. So this is the second 4x4. Number 2 is built, and I've got it dug out. A lot more than I thought. That was 5 truckloads, or wheelbarrows full, about half full. But it's kind of hard without Connor, but I'm gonna try it. Here goes nothing. Okay, number 2 in and level. And now we're gonna do number 1. Dig this one out. Put this one in. Thank God for Rick's tiller. That would have been a lot to dig out by hand. This thing makes mincemeat of it. Still got to load it in though. Here we go. Okay, phase 2 of the multi-tiered beds is finished. That light's temporary, but just to see if it works, and they will. So there'll be one on each one of these. There's 3. But this part's finished. This is the hard part. Now all we have to do is connect the 2. I'll build the 3rd part of the tier in between it. And that will be our tier. Each one will get a light to light up the pathway. And then we have to do the 8-foot bed and the 4-foot bed, and then this will be done. Okay, number 3, 4x4. All right, another one complete. got for your dolly, Connor? Okay, now we start the 4x8. I got my helper back. Needed it. We're leveling this all out. And check this out. 20,000 pounds we got to move today. So we're leveling out these two beds. We got the one back there leveled. We're going to level this one. We got this one partially filled. So it should go good. More work. But now I got the cavalry. One bed completed. Next one coming in. Connor's digging down to China. Getting rid of all that clay. This whole area is going to be scooped out. And then new good dirt put in. But thought I'd give a progress report. It's looking good. All right, end of one Saturday. We got all the beds in except for that middle one where the wheelbarrow is. And of course, I ordered 12-foot boards and they gave me two 12-footers that were really 11-foot. It's off by a ½ an inch, so we're gonna have to get more wood. But we're set for the monsoon that's coming this week. And we'll finish it up next week. But we did a lot of work today. We're gonna take all that dirt out like this, all the way back, and then put that good dirt into there. So next week. Now, Connor does the hard part. I do the easy part. Anything with a motor or electric. This is the hard part. It's called manual labor. Last one. Put that one in and we're finished. Well, we finished them. We put all this dirt in here in the center. That's a good 1.5 feet deep. And we got all the tiered planters in. Got the wires to put the last two lights in. And it's coming around, starting to go together like I want it. The cattle panel will be back up next year. And that's We kind of removed 22,000 pounds of soil. We have a little bit left. I'm going to put some blueberry bushes over here on this side, so I'm going to use that. But that's it for today. Looks pretty good. We did a lot. This is what the lights look like on the side of the raised beds. Came out pretty good. And this is what the lights look like coming up the other way. It came out pretty good. Lights up the tree and the walkway.